Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. It's 1:13 p.m. coming out of the twilight zone now, that lunchtime break that I take most days for about an hour, sometimes more. Well, markets tend to meander sideways. There's been a bit of movement here during the twilight zone. But now watching the Dow, this is the S&P. Here it is, the Dow pressing down. Actually, all three of them are. Here's the three sisters. All three of them doing the same thing. So I wanted to hit record here. I think there might be something coming up right about now. There's the NASDAQ rejecting. S&P, something similar. Charts are jumping around here a little bit all by themselves like they're possessed or something like that. It is quad witching day today, so who knows what's going on. It's Friday, June 16th. 4 times a year we have quadruple witching day, and today's one of them. I'm going to put you on pause for a moment here, and I'll bring you back. All right, we're back now. New candle on the on the 15-minute chart. 2 minutes in now. Watching this closely, I may look to take a short here, guys. Time of day, very important. Sell, stop, order, guys. Sell, stop, order. It's funny how the marker won't let me place properly because I'm so zoomed in. I'm going to show you. So this is a live order now, guys. I'm going to show you this. Boom, boom, boom. All 4 of them telling me the same story. All 3 of them, pardon me, telling me the same story. Now here's the 1 minute chart on the right hand side. Copy and paste. This is my 4th trade of the day. Only one other of these trades that I took today was in the New York session. The other 2 were in the European session. So I'm waiting for this, obviously, to... That's interesting. Let me just take that again. Copy and paste. I see. It's shifted over. All right, let me just move this over here. So that's what I'm looking for, is to break down here. 761 is the correct entry. 34,761. And now I'll put you on pause, and we'll wait for this thing to materialize. If it continues higher, which it could absolutely do, we won't be taken into the trade, or I won't be triggered into the trade. If it flips and comes down, then I will be triggered in for this thing to continue, potentially. For now, pause. All right, rounding over now, guys. This will be a zone reversal trade, 4th trade of the day. Risking 40 to make 40. Here we go, and triggered in, guys. In this trade now. Short the Dow. Zone reversal. Just Keep watching the 30-minute chart, or the 15-minute chart, pardon me. Most of the time this would be a 30-minute chart in the bottom left-hand corner down here. When we're coming out of the twilight zone, volume begins to pick up, and I don't mind dropping down one or two segments, splitting the 30 in half into the 15-minute chart, as you can see here. It's moving up to the 2-minute. Moving up to the 3-minute here. Up to the 5. I'm going to stay with the 3-minute chart here, guys. Alright, I'll put you on pause for now, guys, and I'll bring you back. And we're back. And a little bit of a pullback here to be expected. Nice top wick on this candle. Let me show it to you over here so you can really see it. That's what you want to see, a nice tapping up back up here into the top of these bodies and then rejecting down. Beautiful configuration. Oh, just realized I had you on mute. I muted the microphone to cough and forgot to unmute it. Anyway, I wasn't saying much that's too important. This trade is basically hovering around break even, but it's a very nice configuration. I'm pretty happy with the way it's setting up. And I'll put you on pause for now, and I'll bring you back. Starting to drive down now. We'll watch this together. I'll show you the three sisters so you can see how all three of these are confirming the move, and that's very important to most of my trades, by the way, guys. And one of the ways I can retain or maintain such a high win rate is that I have all the confluence in the world with my trade idea. Look for 12 elements minimum to confirm my setup. My setup, of course, has a number of parts and rules and guidelines to begin with, so it's a stringent methodology with very simple stuff, as you can see, but doing everything in my power to eliminate the vast majority of loss-causing trades, if that makes sense. A high win rate is not always so much about getting high wins. It's about eliminating all those things that you typically lose by. And over the years I've been doing, basically eliminating those one by one methodically. And a lot of it applies to my mental game playlist on YouTube. And if you listen to that, you'll understand a big part of the mindset that goes into loss elimination. And of course, losses will never be completely eliminated. The way the way your trading business issues expenses is through routine losses. They're important and they're necessary, but they can be much fewer than most traders realize. Here we go, guys, pushing down. Looking for 40 points here. The actual entry was right there, and then we rallied for a bit here. This is the 3-minute chart. I'll show you the 1 minute. There's that little pullback that I was showing you earlier there, and now driving down. Stop to break even now, guys. Stop to break even. I won't change this marker here, but you can see it, what I've done here. Let's move this down so you can get the idea. Fourth trade of the day. One more big push should do it. Closing this gap. Here it comes. One more. One more little push. Do you think we can do it? Let me show you the three sisters. Down, down, and oops. We're getting some buying up here. See that? All three of them together. But this confluence, this agreement is a very big part of this trade idea. All right, on this triple witching Friday, I don't want to be what we used to say at Merrill, tick for a tick. Here's what I'm going to do. From 40 down to 30. See if we can flip back down here. 40 down to 30. Just need that to drop down again. You see it here? Here it comes. So I'm changing my target to 30 points. This is quadruple witching day. Anything can happen and bizarre things can happen very, very quickly. So I just want to take this Friday out, another winning note. It's been a good week. It's been a very clean week. Not clean in price action terms. I came within millimeters of being whipped out of trades several times. The exits were just very, very lucky. I'm just gonna call a spade a spade. I wish I could say it was pure skill, but it certainly wasn't. I mean, skill plays a part. Years and being old plays a part. Here we go. One more push. Looking for 30 points, guys. That's half a point right there. One more. and done. Thanks for being with me, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate your support. Thank you for clicking that like button. Apparently it helps the algorithm, and from what I read, and it's absolutely true. And so if you're enjoying what you're seeing, if you don't mind just clicking that button, maybe say hi in the comments too. I'd appreciate to get to know you, at least digitally. If I don't see you again today, have an amazing weekend. Take care, guys. Bye-bye now.